As the local football season heats up, Manning Cup and D Cup are getting steam. The Red Stripe Premier League start late, but it's up and running, while the new JFA president, Mr. Michael Ricketts, prepares his plan for release. But before you complete your plan, Mr. Ricketts, I want you to add a last paragraph or a last chapter. It's a long-standing request, but it's still relevant. I want you to mandate the local Premier League clubs to play more young players. Yes, mandate them to play 3 to 4 under 19 or under 18 players per team and a minimum amount of minutes. Oh yes, we can work out the logistics and the details, but to avoid any club from getting an advantage, you have to mandate all of them to do it. At the end of the day, we want our best young ballers playing our highest level of football. It is a developmental move aimed at dropping the average age of the Premier League players in Jamaica. Our idea of young players in football is outdated. We cannot have a supply line producing 26 and 27-year-olds and call them young players. In the absence of functional club academies, we have to make use of the Manning Cup and the Costa Cup and cream up the best 16, 17, and 18-year-olds and accelerate their development by exposing them to the pace, physicality, and intensity of bigger, stronger players, and that can only improve them as players. And for sure, some people will tell you that countries like Brazil and Germany and Argentina, they don't mention schoolboys in their development. But in those countries, they have specialized academies to develop young players. Jamaica's football is unique and imperfect. We have to turn with hand and make fashion. And that is what we're doing to try and keep the football alive. How me sound, Mr. Ricketts? How me sound? Me sound presidential, don't? Watch yourself, Mr. Ricketts, watch yourself.